But yeah, we are not, I don't know. I've been very MIA. Very, very, very MIA. Very, very, very MIA. Because they were all do. We're gonna see how this rolls. Super fan sale. Cool. Kind of a turkey breast. Who just came in? Stevie! Bro! Again? You just went to level 16 now. It's kind of wild. Congrats, Stevie. Let's put that there. Alright. Let's check this turkey's temperature. Get it? No pun intended. Gave you that. Super fan. You are the super fan, to be honest with you. You are the super fan, Stevie. But I have been very MIA. I was sick a lot. You gotta keep her moist though. Alright. Back in you go, bird. Back in you go. Go for 40. I need to be at 165. 165. That's where this bird's gotta be. Alright. Now. This. We'll start stuffing, I guess. I don't know. This makes no sense. I'm literally cooking turkey, and I just got a warning on my live. Someone telling everybody. It's ridiculous. Literally cooking a turkey, and I just got restricted. So now I'm going to have to reboot again. It's actually out of control. And who is this guy? You're brand new. You just started following me. I don't know who you are, so guess what? You're the only thing that popped in as soon as I got that damn restriction. And here we go. Here come the trolls. Sugar Bear? Yeah, no. Bye. See you later. Confirm. I really don't care. Because I'm cooking and I'm wearing a hat that someone may not like. Too bad. So now I have to reboot because of stupidity.